First, we'll open the glove box. Once the glove box is open, you see that cover. Just grab that cover and then pull it outwards. Just like that. Once the cover is pulled out, there's another cover behind. In my case, this cover seemed very fragile. Just by touching it, it fall apart by itself. Once the second cover is out, notice behind there is that final cover right there. It has tabs on both corners, one tab right here and the other tab right there. All we have to do is just press that tab and then pull the cover outwards. Notice one tab is taken out from this side. From the other side, we will press the tab and then pull out the cover completely. There it is, we got the complete plastic cover taken out. And behind the plastic cover is our cabin air filter. We'll just grab the filter and then pull it outwards. And that is how we take out the cabin air filter for this vehicle. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. In your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure on the edge there is that arrow sign right there. Make sure the sign is towards right side and then the arrow is facing downwards. Now we will go ahead and put this cabin air filter back where we took it out from. Again, just making sure the arrow sign is towards right side and facing downwards. I always like to punch in the left portion first. Once the left side is in, then I punch in the right side. There it is, the filter is completely in. Now we will go ahead and punch in this cover. We place the cover there and then press both sides tabs to go completely in. First cover is in. Now we'll put back the second cover. Make sure the tab side of the cover stays towards upside. Punch in the cover on the top side first. Once the top side is in place, then we just push the bottom part. Just like that, it's completely in. Now we will go ahead and punch in the final cover, which is this. Notice it has two tabs right there, if you could see. One tab is here and the other tab is right there. Both of these tabs have to go into this spot right there and the other spot which is right here. It also has a slider on the corner. You could see the slider right there. This slider has to be slided in this position right here. We'll go ahead and punch in the cover, keeping in mind all those positions. Cover is in. One way to check the cover is completely in. Just press it downwards, and if it's not coming down, that is a sign that it is completely installed. Now we are good to close the glove box. And with that, we are done with the replacement of cabin air filter. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.